There are days when there is no way, not even a chance, that I dare for even a second glance at the reflection in the body of my mirror. And she knows why. Like I know why she only cries when she feels she's about to lose control. She knows how much control is worth, knows how much a woman can lose when her power to move is taken away by a grip so thick with hate it can flip the wings of God, send the next 8 generations of your blood shaking, and tonight something inside me is breaking. My heart beating so deep beneath the sheets of pain, I could give every tear she's crying a name, a year, and a face I'd forever erase if I could, just like she would for you or me. But how free would any of us be if even a few forgot what too many in this world cannot? And what the hell would you tell your daughter, your someday daughter, when you have to hold her beautiful face to the beat-up face of this place that hasn't learned the meaning? Stop. Stop. What would you tell your daughter? Her eyes swollen shut, her gut too frightened to hold food. It was 7 minutes of the worst kind of hell. 7, and she stopped believing in heaven. Mistrust became her law, fear her Bible. The only chance of survival, don't trust any of them. Bolt the doors to your home, iron-gate the windows, walk into the car alone, get the key in the lock, like please, 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 open. Like already she can feel the 5-fingered noose around her neck, 200 pounds of cake digging graves in the sacred soil of her flesh. Please, 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 open. Already she can hear the broken record of the defence, answer the question, answer the question, answer the question mesh. Yes, why am I on trial for this? Would you talk to your mother, your daughter, your sister like this? I am generations of mothers, daughters, sisters, bodies, battlefields, war zones beneath the weapons of your brother's hands. Do you know they found landmines and broken women's souls, black holes in the parts of their heart that once sang symphonies of creation as bright as the light on infinity's halo? She said, I remember how love used to glow like glitter on my skin before he made his way in. Now every touch feels like a sin with the crucified Medusa. Ocean Mary, bury me in a blue blanket so God doesn't kill my girl. Cut off my curls, I want peace when I'm dead. Her friend knocks at the door. It's been 3 weeks, don't you think it's time you got out of bed? No. The ceiling fan still feels like his breath. I think I need just a few more days of rest. Bruises on my knees from praying to forget. She's heard stories of Vietnam vets who can still feel the tingling of their amputated limbs. She's wondering how many women are walking around this world still feeling the tingling of their amputated wings, remembering what it was to fly, to sing. Tonight, she's not wondering what she would tell her daughter. She knows what she would tell her daughter. She'd ask her, what gods do you believe in? I'll build you a temple of mirrors so you can see them. Pick the brightest star you ever wish on, I'll show you the light in you that made your wish come true. Tonight, she's not asking what you would tell your daughter. She's long deep in the hell of the slaughter, has already died 1,000 deaths with every unsteady breath, 1,000 graves in every pore of her flesh, and she knows the war's not over. She knows there's bleeding to come. Knows she's far from the only woman or girl trust in this world no more than the hamstress rusted barbed wire. She was whole before that night, believed in heaven before that night, and she knows she won't be the only one. Oh, she knows she won't be the only one. She's not asking what you're going to tell your daughter. She's asking what you're going to teach your son.